Y'all, this hair is bomb! And I got it from Amazon, y'all. And it only cost me $172.99. Stay tuned for more details.
Me like the way you wind it, girl. You feel me the team wine, yeah, girl. Me say,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be reviewing this lovely wig that I have on my head right here. So let's get into it. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the construction of the wig. It has two combs on the side, a comb like in the middle, and a comb in the back, an adjustable strap. And this is how much parting space you have. So yeah, this wig is so bomb. And look, y'all, look how easy it is to put on my head. Voila, freaking magic. If y'all see me looking over, I'm looking at my computers because I don't remember everything, so I gotta look. And I'm gonna try to make this video short and sweet because I don't want it to be too long. I'm trying to get straight to the point because I tend to ramble and I will be here all day. Okay, so the company that I got this hair from was called TopFeeling Hair off Amazon. And I will put all the details in the description box below if you are interested in this beautiful wig, because y'all see this? For $172, y'all, this is bomb, okay? This is sexy. And the curls bounce back like this, and it came pre-dyed like this already. Well, not pre-dyed, but it came like this, like the color and everything. So let's get into the specs. I got a 16-inch. And like I said before, it came in this color. The texture is really soft, really silky. The curls bounce right back. Like if you don't wet this hair daily, or you want to just let it like grow, it'll get pretty big. But it won't get big like an Afro, but it'll get pretty big. But you have a choice to get a lace front wig in this color, or you have a choice to do a lace front wig in a natural color. So those are the only two choices you have, and you get to pick between a 10-inch to a 16-inch. I've had this hair ever since I think November of last year, and it's still holding me up pretty well. Like, this is my go-to hair. I could just plop it on. Like, usually I would have to sew a band in the back of my wig, but I didn't have to sew a band in this wig. Literally, I wear this to work like this, and I'd be like, whoop. They'd be like, oh, do you have it secured on? Hell no. I'd be like, whoop. I do that at work too. They'd be like, what the hell, Shanice? Look, this is how bum this wig is for me. It's so low maintenance. I'm a low maintenance girl. Like, I don't have to be gluing stuff down. You know, I want to just plop that thing on my head. If I have to sew a band in there, I would do that too. But I don't want to deal with that got to be glued. Especially, like, I like to take my wigs off at night, put it on in the morning when I gotta go. And it's very convenient for me. What else? I always forget what to say. I always be like, okay, go down the list, make sure I cover everything. Oh yeah. Is it does it shed, tangle? Okay, so this is curly hair, and it does tangle, but it's not like bad. Like, it's not like, oh my gosh, like, gotta comb it. No, like, put some water on it, and your hands, like you see this, it gets stuck, but you can, like, very much, like, you know, comb it through with your hands. Now, y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can see this. Y'all see the strands? So it does, if you're sitting here, it's not gonna shed. But if you're like if you're wet and you're trying to detangle it, it's going to shed. Not a whole lot, but it's gonna be like a good amount. It ain't gonna be like the good quality hair where it's like you put your hands through it and nothing comes out. But I don't think that's bad, just because I think of it as my real hair. Like, with my real hair, I don't comb my real hair every day. I don't comb this hair every day. And so, like, sometimes I just wet it and go. I don't, like, brush it every day. But with my real hair, I don't comb it every day. When I do finally detangle it, I get, you know, I get like a little ball of hair because I haven't been combing it like I should. I haven't been detangling it every day. So I feel like this is the same with this hair. Like finally when I start detangling, I get like a good size. Like it's not like a ball, but it's like a good amount of strands of hair. But it's not like this hair is getting thinner. Like it's still there. But I know some people don't want to deal with that. But for $172.99 for a 16-inch that's already come this color, I think it's worth it.
Me like the way you wind it, girl. You feel me the team wine, yeah, girl. Me say,
I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like this wig. If I forgot anything, please put it in the comment section below. I want to be able to have a community where I chat and communicate with all my subscribers, and so please give me some feedback on what you think I should include, what I didn't include, what you liked, what you didn't like. You know, just let your girl know, and tell me what y'all think about this wig. Would you buy it? Because it has like 28 reviews right now, which is okay, but the reviews are all good. So y'all stay tuned for more videos like this and more to come. I will see you guys later.
pretty little heart. Oh, yeah, yeah.